Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. So, welcome to another very simple recipe. Let's go to the ingredients. We have sweet potato. So, this one we didn't use, but we have four sweet potatoes that have been boiled. We have plain flour. We have sugar. So if you don't feel the need for sugar, then obviously that's as per taste. And we have some honey. We need 3 eggs. We will need butter, and we will need baking powder. If you want to use oil, that's fine, but it's not as nice. Okay, so first of all, we need to mash the potatoes. Okay, so just mashing the potatoes. So the potatoes have been mashed. Into that goes the 3 eggs. I'll add the other ingredients. Well, can we add the baking powder? Okay, well, we can. It's a good idea to mix it. That's the baking powder. Can we put the plain flour in as well?
Huh?
Plain flour, about 300 grams.
300.
Okay.
Two, and three. Three.
Okay, give that a good mix. Okay, so that all should, this is the crucial bit. I think that it has to be thoroughly mixed. Okay, so we want this a little bit more sweeter. So this is optional if you don't like too much sugar. Of course, the sweet potatoes are lovely and sweet. And honey as per taste again. 2 spoonfuls should be sufficient. And one more. I'm going to give that a good mix. Okay, viewers, there is our mixture. I think I did mention the dissected coconuts. If I didn't, then you need dissected coconuts for the decorating. So we're going to heat some butter in the pan and then cook the mixture. So the butter's melted nicely, and into that goes the mixture, and that will need about 10 minutes or so to cook. We do need to cook it on both sides, of course. Okay, so we'll revisit in 10 minutes or so, viewers. So 10 minutes have elapsed now. I do think I've burnt it a little bit, but never mind. Okay, so we need to flip this over now. So obviously you need a bigger plate. Okay, and we're going to flip that over the sink, so that, well, in case it goes wrong. So as I suspected, I've managed to burn this somewhat, but of course the taste is going to be there. And now we're going to cook the other side. Okay, once again the butter is melted, and we're going to put in this side to cook the other side. Okay, so I don't think 10 minutes was rather too long, so we'll see how we do with 6 minutes on this side. Okay, 6 minutes have passed now. I think we'll turn the cooker off and then once again flip it on the other side, and hopefully that's cooked properly. Okay, so the plate is on and we're going to flip that over. So that has been flipped over, and just remains one more thing to do, which is the dissected coconut. So if we spread that all over, and that makes a lovely potato and egg cake in a pan. And that is the finished product, viewers, topped with diced coconut. Okay, so I do hope that you will try it, and hopefully yours won't be as burnt as mine, but you know, the taste is there and the taste really nice and sweet. So I thank you for watching. I ask you to please keep watching. Please watch fully. Please watch the playlists. So until the next time, I say goodbye. Look after yourselves. Look after others. Goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.